What's E for, Gage? E is for elephant. E is alligator. Ball. F. Go to the next page.
What's that?
Look, let me show you. Let go. Look. Look, there's the rest of them.
Oh. E. J. No. Oh. Oh, D. It's never Africa. Africa. A. B. C. A. D. C. C. D. D. What's that? It's never A. What's that? It's never D. What's that? It's never D. What's that? Never E. What's that? It's never E. It's never what's that? It's never F. Whoa. It's never C. Yes, that's never E.
Look, baby. Look. Look. You go to this page. Look. And then you go to this page. Look. Look. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Hang on. Let me show you. Look. Hold on. Hold on. Baby, you're getting it right back. Hey. Look. Here's the R. R and S and T. Q. S T. U. V. W. X. And the next page has Y and Z.